Hello, Ashley. How are you?
Right.
Ready? Yes. Okay. Which t-shirt do you like?
I like polka dot t-shirt.
What is she wearing?
She's wearing dress.
What are they wearing?
They are two.
They are
They are wearing two jackets.
Jack.
Jackets.
Whose slippers are these?
This is RD. Jim, RD.
They
They
are
are
Jimmy's
Jimmy's slippers.
slippers. Is this Jack's pants?
No. Is this?
No.
This is Sandra's pants.
It's Sandra's pants. It's. Okay, fair.
Loud, brown, soil. Earth Day. Today was Earth Day. There were lots of people in the park. In the morning, the river was dirty. The water was lots of trash on the grass and in the trees. Our first job was picking up trash on the grass. There were lots of kids. It was fun. Our second job was picking up trash in the river. It was very muddy in the evening.
It was very
Muddy in the evening. The grass was clean. The river wasn't dirty. Everything was clean, but we were.
Okay, thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.